Welcome back to GetRacingSchool.com. Okay, today I just wanted to show you another way of soldering without a soldering iron. It's a lot easier if you have a torch lighter. It's really easy. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. You just have to heat up. You'll see. That's it. And since you have to heat it up just a little bit more, and that's it. And once it's in, you heat it up once more. That's it. You gotta get the wire hot enough so the solder wire gets attached to the wire as well. And I'm just gonna cool it off. That's it. And easy. I just did 2 batteries like that. Instead of using the solder iron, and look how easy it is. Just tips. If you don't want to get a soldering iron, you can still solder your wires. Take care, guys.